Hello everybody and welcome back. So in the previous video, I talked about how to add in new pages into your fill. And now I want to show you how you can turn in your fill when it comes time to turning in particular pages. So here we go. Let's say that I wanted to turn in page 7 of Puma's fill. Okay, if you haven't seen the first video yet, I talk about how to add in new pages. You should check that out first. But let's say I know how to do that. I'm ready to go, and now I'm going to use Puma, my cat's fill, as an example. So let's say Puma's not a very good student, and she just answers like this. Okay. She watched the videos, but she's a cat, so she can't type very well. But she does know that this needs to be the right size. And I think you get the picture, right? Okay, so I just finished putting all that stuff in there. Okay, so let's say I want to turn in page 7. What you're going to do is you're going to go up here at the top and you're going to click this link right here. Okay, and you're going to copy it. And this is what you're going to use to share with me your assignment. Now, you want to make sure that the sharing settings are set up properly. So you're going to click share. And you could type in my name right here in the people group. But another way to do it, the way that I like to do it, is down here at the bottom it says get link, because we're always going to be using the link. And we're going to say that Eastern Carver County Schools, anyone in this group can view. If you want to give me editing rights, you can. And make me an editor, whatever. But then you just hit copy link. Actually, no, wait. We don't want to do copy link there. We want to copy this link right here, because this link will take me to page 7 of this, okay? So if I were to hit copy and then paste into a new browser and hit enter, it'll load the fill, but then if I wait and I don't touch anything, it'll jump down to page 7, which is nice for me when I have to grade these, okay? So anyway, so again, this URL right up here, if you're on the right, you have to be clicked on the right slide because it changes the URL based off of that. Okay, so we're going to use that URL and then we're going to go over to Google Classroom. And here we go. So I'm in my first hour physics class. I'm going to go to classwork and then I'm going to go down to the assignment for fill page 7. I'm going to click on that, and then there's a whole bunch of directions here. Okay, so sometimes I'm still trying to figure out what the best way to turn it in, but every time you're going to use that URL. Okay, so you're just going to read the directions and then do exactly what it says. This one says simply attach your fill by clicking attach or create, and then turn in. Another option is to make a private comment with the URL for the slide that I'll be grading. Try both methods or just one. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to go to the private comment, then I'm going to click paste. And then if I wanted to add in the other way as well, I could do that there as well. But then I would just hit that. Now that's turned in. And then I would click mark as done. Do I want to click mark as done? Yes, I do, because I did it. Okay. And there you have it. That's how you turn in your fill. Thanks for listening.